Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2016 Mitsubishi Pajero GLS, stock reference number 5317. The shape runs from the 9th month 2014 through to the 4th month 2021. It has a 4M41 3.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel-drive transmission. 4M41 3.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grille, right hand fog light, right hand daytime running light, left hand daytime running light, left hand fog light, left headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror in chrome, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left front door has one small dent, left rear door appears to have no damage, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand tail light, spare wheel carrier, tailgate appears to have no damage. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single touchscreen CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster.